A vehicular accident involving motorcycle outrider traffic officers of RSLPF along the John Compton Highway on Thursday afternoon prompted a quick response from members of the public and first responders.
A police officer on a motorcycle was involved in a minor traffic accident, and the responding officers, while responding to the incident, themselves got themselves in a minor traffic accident. Both of the officers now, they were taken to the Victoria OKU hospital to receive medical care.
Sergeant Miguel Lancico of the Traffic Department provided a preliminary assessment of the accident. He noted that police officers who frequently travel at high speeds responding to emergencies may face increased risks.
Accidents do happen, but at the end of the day, the police, they are empowered to do a job, and responding to accidents, going to accidents, that's part of the entire job of the police.
Jermaine William, Assistant Divisional Officer of the St. Lucia Fire Service, noted that coordinating the necessary units presented a slight challenge. However, first responders quickly provided care.
You know, we have ambulances at Grozile, Babono, and in Castries as well. So it's just a matter of us coordinating and sharing the workload. So it's not a challenge per se. I wouldn't call it a challenge. Maybe a challenge for others, but for us, it's just part of our normal routine. So
videos of the accident scene circulated rapidly on social media. The injured officers received immediate medical attention at the scene and were transported to the hospital for further treatment.